Well, finally came in today after weeks of waiting, and even though Josh got his like 5 days before me, and I ordered it the day after. Who knows how the internet works? Regardless, it's here. The Well L96 compact bolt action from Airsoft GI. Oh, it did seem like these. Didn't seem like they were in there, but they are. Man, they're heavy. Good night. And not a flashy box.
Ooh.
There she is. 14 pounds in all. Polymer stock group. Feels really high quality though. Heavy. It's weighted in the back. Adjustable cheek rests and stock spacers. Oh, hop up right there. Oh. From the bottom. We just
what was
the
that?
Those weren't tightened down. No biggie. Comes with one mag, couple rounds, speed loader, and who knows what that is. Oh, scope rings. We'll do some accuracy testing later, but scope wide, scope manual, and sling with metal attachment points, which is a nice bonus. So let's get her out, put her together, see how she runs.